Welcome to Redline Channel Automotive. The exterior of LOKI Coach's luxurious Prevost chassis-based RVs, which are built for extreme adventure, is renowned for being tough, modern, and robust. This is a broad overview of the 2025 LOKI Coach Prevost exterior, since the 2025 model is probably going to be an advancement of the current design. LOKI Coach places a strong emphasis on resilience to a range of environmental factors. Characteristics include the use of robust materials and extra protection. Sharp lines, sharp angles, and components that convey a sense of modernity and exploration are frequently used in the design. The outside of LOKI Coach frequently incorporates racks, storage bins, and mounts for motorbikes, kayaks, and other adventure gear because it is made to transport a wide range of such items. The LOKI Coach is built on a large Prevost chassis and features a tall body with plenty of ground clearance for improved off-road performance. LOKI Coach frequently provides a configuration that may be altered to meet the owner's particular requirements. But typically, it will have a cozy sitting area, a kitchen that is completely furnished, a bathroom with a separate shower and toilet, and a cozy sleeping space. The materials used are selected for their quality, longevity, and simplicity of maintenance in light of the expedition's goal. Strong and simple to clean upholstery, resilient flooring, premium wood or laminate finishes, and excellent thermal and acoustic insulation are a few examples of this. System of centralized control to control the vehicle's status, entertainment system, lights, and temperature. Entertainment system, internet access, a top-notch sound system, and a flat-screen TV, battery power, energy consumption, and solar panel charging if available are all shown on the energy control screen. We may use the 2025 LOKI Coach model, which is likewise based on a Prevost chassis, as a guide even if the 2025 LOKI Coach Prevost has no official specs. The Volvo D13 engine powers the elegant Lady No. 916 model of LOKI Coach from 2025. The inline-6 diesel engine that will probably be available is this one. This engine normally generates about 435 horsepower and 1,700 pounds-ft to 1,300 Nm of torque in the Prevost chassis. There's a chance that LOKI Coach will also have a Cummins engine option. It is a significant provider of diesel engines for high-end RVs. The Cummins L9 or X12, which have power outputs ranging from 380 HP to 500 HP and torque to match, are viable choices.